Moi! Welcome back to Ontario. Well, I thought, might as well give you guys a look at what kind of equipment we're running here. It's quite a lineup, so it's not the newest, but we'll just split it up in two parts. So, turn the lights on, and then, yeah, well, you guys have to see for yourself. As you can see right here from the start, 3 different kinds, and there's a couple more tractors. First off, we got this 4230. It came with us from Holland when we moved here. We were running this thing, for 5 years back in Holland before we took it this way. Then this tractor here, we bought it here a couple months ago. It's a Landini 8860. Then we got here the 7920. Got a front hitch on there, no PTO. We use this thing for pushing up silage. And it's on a manure tank, usually. And all the other work that needs to be done. Then back here we got the 7720. No, 7820. It's a 7700. That's in the shop. But anyway, 7820. It pretty much does all the other work. Running this bind usually in the summer. Dump wagons, which are right over here. We bought these things when we came here in 2000. And first they were behind the pull type harvester. That's why they got like the axle in the front as well. Got 2 of those. They working out great. Backing up is maybe a little bit of a pain in you know where. But other than that, just keep moving forward and you're all set. And over here got the pickup for that goes on the harvester. It's a 4 meter wide pickup. We're able to pick up 2 swaths from the disc bind at once and save a little bit labor there on that site, and less chance of picking up rocks when you don't have to rake it. Right beside it there in the corner, seed drill. Not the fanciest one, but hey, it'll get the job done. For putting down the alfalfa, there's a grass box on there. And then over here got one of the packers. It's a small one, but then over there we got the roller mill, which we use to grind up the corn, which we feed to the cows. Right now we're feeding dry corn, used to feed high moisture corn. So you'll get it fine enough. And moving back here, I don't know if we can pass through there, but we'll just go this route. And over here we got the bale chopper. Use this for bedding the straw packs. Right behind it we got the fill spout for the manure. Then we got our sand wagon, which we're using to fill the stalls with sand. And we got our manure tanker here. It's a tri-axle. 2 of them are steering. 6,100 gallons, or 24,000 liters. And then we got our disc bind right here. Fold it up. It's a Krone. 6 meters wide. And like I said, we can pick up 2 swaths from this thing and at the same time, so makes life a little easier. Then we got here a hay rake. which we don't use it too often, but every now and then you kind of have to when there's not a whole lot there. Small mower there for cutting the ditch banks, and then solid manure spreader. And another ripper, deep ripper, and then the cultivator behind it. And then back here in the corner, got our manure pump. So there's a hose that goes in between that pump and the fill pipe for you guys back in Europe that don't know how that works over here, but eventually you'll get to see it. This cultivator here has the vertical beaters. Everything is kind of stacked on top of one another, but at least it's inside. Good for the winter. Keep it out of the weather elements, and yeah, other than that, just go to the front, go to the shop there. That little area there, we got our kind of shop, so we'll see you when we get there. So yeah, over here we got the old one, 7700. It has an oil leak right now, so that's why it's here. It's a line that started leaking. It's going to the PDO and the differential. So my brother's working on that to get it fixed. Got a gator in here and a bunch of parts, air compressor and all that stuff. So, well, that's gonna be it for part 1. Part 2, well, probably next week. So thank you for everybody that already subscribed and liked everything. Thanks for all the comments. En natuurlijk kan dat ook gewoon in Nederlands. And well, we'll see you guys next week, hopefully. Thanks for watching. Moi.